Magandang araw everyone! Welcome to Traffic Jam, the podcast where we break down the biggest issues affecting Filipinos today. I am Andre Atienza.
And of course, guys, I'm Shy. I'm your girl. Today, we're tackling an headache na almost lahat ng Filipino ay alam na alam. Of course, yung problema natin araw-araw, traffic hike in the Philippines. It's more than just an hours na stuck ka sa EDSA, C5, Espanya, or TAF, but it is the loss of productivity, rising fuel costs, and of course, cause of stress, and it can affect our mental health, right, Trey?
Let's start with the first source. We check an official MMDA report on vehicle volume along EDSA. This is primary source since it comes straight from the government. It's credible, but notice the perspective. It highlights how many cars are on the road and what traffic seems in place. What missing? Everyday struggle of commuters.
You know what, Dre? That's a very good point. Our second source an academic study from Asia Development Bank on Metro Manila traffic. Ito, secondary source to at saka ito pinapakita nito yung bigger picture. No, it also argues the core of issue isn't just about the cars. Pero, yung poor urban planning and yung lack of efficient public transport. Alam mo, reliable naman tong source na to, pero pwede siyang maging a little too technical for an average listener, isn't it?
Then, there is our third source. An editorial from Philippine news outlet. It focused on how traffic eats up at 3 to 4 hours a commuter days and how it affects family life and productivity. This is also a secondary sources. It's repeatable, emotional, but because it's a personal opinion based, it may be less balanced compared to data-driven reports.
Is that so? So, if compare natin sila, the government shows the numbers, and the academic shows the causes, and the media, of course, shows the life experiences. Well, of course, each of them is valid, but of course, still, none of them gives us the full picture on its own.
Exactly. And when we put them together, the analysis shows traffic highs are not just about cars or drivers. It's about how cities are designed, how policies are enforced, and how people's daily life are affected.
That's actually right. Government solutions like yung road widening sounds practical siya actually, but the researchers point the mass transport as the real fix. Meanwhile, yung mga commuter natin, such as us, gusto lang naman natin ng mabilis and humane solutions, no? Different angles, but same problems.
So, what's the lesson here? Analyzing multiple sources is important. If we rely on the government data, we think traffic is being managed. If we rely only on editorial, it would seem hopeless. And if we relied on only academic studies, we miss the human side.
That's true, Dre. By checking different perspectives, we make better, more informed opinions, and hindi lang naman siya just true for traffic. It is also true for any issues na kinakaharap natin as a citizens.
That's the wraps today's episode of Traffic Jam. Thanks for listening!
And remember, the road to solution starts with seeing the whole picture. Until next time,